Hey beauties, now it has been several months since I started using that natural serum that I created, and I showed you how to create that serum. Well, now I'm only using olive oil, and my goodness, I can't believe the change in my eyelashes. Now, I have zero makeup on my eyelash. I have no mascara on it, but my eyelashes are actually curling. They have never been this long before. So I'm gonna show you what my eyelashes look like now. I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara. Look at them. Look how long they are. Oh, don't look at my nose. Ha! There. They're really have grown. They're actually curling. These eyelashes are actually curled. They're so long. I mean, long for me. I'm going to do the other one. Hold on. Look at that. Really is a huge difference. All that I do is I put 100% virgin olive oil on my eyelashes every single night. I never miss a night. If I'm just getting into bed and I forgot to apply the olive oil, I will get up and I will go and apply it. Guys, how well just plain olive oil works on your eyelashes and nourishes them and makes them grow. Anyway, folks, look at my cute little outfit. I know it's a little different, but I just wanted to show you what my eyelashes look like now since I've been using just olive oil. Thanks so much for joining me on Wendy's World. I will see you next time on my next tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye for now, ladies.